A pair of tailored woven pants is a fantastic wardrobe staple, whether you pair it with a t-shirt and sneakers or you're making a whole suit. But it can be really hard to find well-fitting pants, and it can also be hard to sew them, especially ones that fit you when you're standing up and when you're sitting down. Well, in this new workshop, Pants Making for Curves, I'm going to take you through how to make the innovative cashmerette Meriam trousers that feature an amazing flex waistband that give you that little bit more room when you sit down. In the class, I'll cover construction and the basics of fit. You'll learn how to make the waistband, along with things like how to make welt pockets, how to sew a fly front, and I'll give you lots and lots of tips and tricks that take you way beyond the instruction booklet. You can ask questions anytime and you'll get quick responses back from the cashmerette team to help you along. And you can watch it as many times as you want, for as long as you want. It's always there at your convenience. So I hope that you'll join me in making pants that you and your wardrobe will be proud of.